Hello friends, and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal prep video. This week's video is in collab with my new friend here on YouTube, Jennifer from Southern Mama Drama. So first of all, I just want to say that Jennifer is such a sweet mama for doing this collab with me today. Her channel name is Southern Mama Drama. Jennifer is a stay-at-home mum to two young boys, 8 and 2. She shares grocery hauls and meal plans every single week on her channel, and she also shares what's for dinner videos. She is absolutely hilarious. I love watching her channel, and I know you guys will too. If you are here for my grocery hauls and meal plans, then you really need to check out her channel once you are done watching this video. I know you guys are going to love her. I will leave her channel and the link to this video collab in the description box down below. And if you are new here and coming over from Jennifer's channel, hello and welcome. My name is Katrina. I'm an Australian mum with 2 young kids under 3, and I share lots of cleaning motivation here on my channel, as well as grocery hauls, what's for dinner and meal prep videos. If those things interest you, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button while you are here and give this video a big thumbs up because I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my meal plan, then I'm going to be showing you my grocery haul, and I'm also going to be sharing with you our favorite dinner of the week. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get straight into it. So I've just recently started bullet journaling, and I've just started writing up my meal plan and meal prep this way. It is so much fun and creative to do. I just have to swap out the sticky note every week, and I just love writing it up and drawing the little pictures and stuff. It's just, I don't know, I get bored sometimes, so it's just really fun. On Mondays, we are going to be having ravioli bolognese, and that is such a staple in our house. We at least have that once a week. My partner loves pasta. If you aren't new here, you know that already. And my kids love it, and it's just such an easy quick meal to make. On Tuesday, we are having stuffed peppers with beef and rice. Now, I like to pre-cook that stuffing so it makes it really easy to just quickly cook the peppers then on the night, and then add the stuffing and the cheese on top and put them back in the oven for 10 minutes, and they're just done really quickly. On Wednesday, we are having fish with cauliflower and broccoli bake. I love cauliflower and broccoli bake. It's just basically cooking both of the vegetables and then adding on a big thick layer of cheese sauce and some cheese on top and putting it in the oven. It is so good. On Thursday, we are having lasagna and salad. I was going to prep the salad, but I think it'll be a little too late in the week, so I didn't add that to the meal prep section. But I normally grab a frozen pizza for the week, but instead I decided to grab a lasagna just to mix it up a little bit. So we're excited for that this week. And then on Friday, I'm going to be making pesto chicken pasta. There should be some chicken left over from the Mexican chicken and cheese grilled toasties that we're making later in the week, so I'm going to be adding that to that, as well as some pesto and a lot of green vegetables because they're really easy to hide in a pesto pasta sauce. So we are definitely doing that. On Saturday, we are having curried sausage shepherd's pie. Now, I need to tell you, this was a mistake when I made this one night. I actually didn't mean to make it. We had some leftover mashed potato. I was making curried sausages, and I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to put it together and see how it goes. And it is probably the best meal I've ever made in my life. So I'm going to be sharing that at the end of this video. And on Sunday, we are having Mexican chicken and cheese grilled toasties. So we are excited for that too, because it's just such a quick, easy meal on Sundays. And then for meal prep this week, I'm just going to be making a big batch of pancakes to put in the freezer so I can heat them up in the mornings to put alongside the kids' breakfast, just to help fill them up a little bit more. And then I'm going to be making a big batch of homemade strawberry jam. You'll see in the grocery haul, I got a lot of strawberries for a really good price this week, so I'm excited to make that. And then I'm also going to be cleaning and cutting up the strawberries for snacks during the week. I like to get all of them all pre-prepared so they're really easy and quick to grab. And I'll be pre-cooking the stuffing, as I said earlier. And I always like to hard boil 12 eggs just so that they can be used for so many things. Sometimes I don't always do 12, but yeah, it's good to have a lot in the fridge just for quick, easy snacks. And then I'm also going to be making up a big batch of oatmeal cookies. I absolutely love the recipe that I use, and I hope to share it one day on my channel. But for now, that is it for this week's meal plan and meal prep. So let's get straight into the grocery haul. So as always, we're just going to start over this side with the non-food items. So I've just grabbed a new bottle of this Method All-Purpose in the pink grapefruit scent and a new bottle of shampoo. I love to get my household items when they are half price, and these were both half price, so it was such a great deal. And then I wanted to try this new peanut butter brownie bar. Well, I'm not sure if it's new, but it's new to me, and I'm really excited to give that one a try. It sounds amazing. And I got some of these chewy choc chip bars just to stock up the cupboard. I got 2 boxes of these Messy Monkeys chocolate rice puff bars for the kids, and a big pack of these burger flavor whole grain bites. I absolutely love the Messy Monkeys brand. You will see them a lot in my grocery hauls. It's not sponsored, but my kids just love them. I grabbed 2 bunch of bananas, 2 boxes of that Just Right cereal for me, berry shake flavored Messy Monkey cereal, and 2 boxes of Choc Crunch Messy Monkey cereal. And I got 2 packets of nappies that were half price, so I always stock up on them when they're half price. Saves so much money. And then I've just grabbed a packet of plain flour and self-raising flour. Being in lockdown, we are doing a lot of baking and we're running out of them fast. So I've just grabbed a bag of potato gems there for the freezer, a box of fish, and my 1-year-old is loving pineapple at the moment, so I got some pineapple slices, some pineapple chunks, just a whole lot of pineapple for her to munch on through the week. I got some sliced beetroot, I got 2 tins of those, and I got some mini dark chocolate chips to put into our muffins and cookies that we make through the week. As I said, we're doing a lot of baking, so they come in handy. And this is the lasagna that I've picked up for the week instead of our frozen pizzas, so we are excited to mix that up a little this week, and I hope the kids like it. I don't think they'll like it as much as pizza, but we'll give it a try. And these are the capsicums for the stuffed peppers that I'm going to be making this week. So I tried to get 3 red ones because I really wanted them to just be red, but they had sold out of them in the single lot on the online order, so they just grabbed me one of these tricolored ones, which worked out fine anyway because it gave the kids a little bit of variety. And then I grabbed a jar of this salsa sauce to put on to the shredded chicken once I boil it and cook it to make the Mexican chicken for the toasties later in the week. I grabbed a head of lettuce just to put in sandwiches and things like that. And then, as I said, I got such a great deal on these strawberries, so I picked up a whole bunch. These were going for about $5 a punnet, pretty much only a few weeks ago, so they were only $1.50, so I grabbed heaps this week. I got 2 containers of butter just to stock up while they were a little cheaper and discounted. We got 2 loaves of bread, multigrain and white bread, as well as a 3-litre A2 full cream milk. We also got some toilet paper because it was half price. We like to grab that always when it goes half price. And also a 2-kilo bag of potatoes for the curried sausages bake that I'm going to be making. And then also, if you have not tried this sour cream and chive potato mash sachet, you need to try it. I used to have this growing up and I could not find it at the supermarket for a few years in between, and I finally found it again at the supermarket. They are selling it again. I don't even know if it went missing or if they just changed aisles, but it took me so long to find it. It is the best. There is no other way or better way to have mashed potato. I grabbed a block of Colby cheese so I can grate that up and have it in the fridge, some mozzarella grated cheese for some bakes that I'm making, and a packet of this single slice cheese as well. So that is all for this week's grocery haul. I'm going to leave the price across the screen here, and then I'm going to get into showing you this recipe that I made completely by accident, which actually turned out to be one of the most amazing meals ever. So I'm just starting off by putting the sausages on a baking tray and popping them in the oven to cook. It is just so much quicker and easier to chuck them in there, and that way you can just focus on the vegetables and not have to multitask so much, especially with young kids always distracting you and things. It's just so much easier to have them in the oven cooking away with a timer set to let you know when they're ready. And so then I've just gone ahead and washed and peeled these potatoes that we had left over, and then I'm going ahead and cutting those up, ready to pop them on the stove to boil them in preparation to make the mash for the top of this meal. And then I am just going to chuck on another pot here, and I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom here. Rather than boiling my veggies, I'm just going to more saute them in here. I normally buy my onion pre-chopped because I really dislike chopping onions myself, so I've just popped them in from the freezer. And then I'm also going to be throwing in a just mix of frozen vegetables here, and then I'm just going to leave them on the stove to cook away for about 20 minutes. And while they are cooking, I'm just going to be getting those sausages out when they are ready and chopping them up into little bite-sized pieces, and then putting them into this oven safe dish ready to add all the ingredients to pop in the oven soon. So once that is all chopped up and added to the dish, I'm just going to be adding in this curried sausage jar sauce. I love the Master Foods jar sauces, but we really just grab any that are half price or discounted at the time because they are all not that bad anyway. And then I'm just adding in this onion and mixed vegetable mix, and then I'm just going to make sure I mix all of that together really well and get all that mixed in. And then I'm going to take it back over to the stove where I've mashed up that mashed potato, and I'm going to add all of that to the top of the dish and try to spread that out nice and evenly. And then once that's on, I'm going to add on a layer of grated cheese, and then I'm also going to be adding on some Parmesan cheese with the spoon here and some mixed herbs to the top there. there, but that is optional. And then I'm popping that in the oven for about 20 minutes. And you guys, like, if there is one meal that you try off my meal plan this week, it is this one. It needs to be tried by everyone. It is amazing. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Please don't forget to check out Jennifer's channel once you are done. Again, her link is in the description box down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you all next week.
That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5, and I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say